Hey everyone, welcome back to English Trend, where we make English grammar easy and fun. Today, we're talking about something that can make or break your IELTS writing score: grammar. If you want to boost your band score, you need to get your grammar right. Let's dive in. Grammar is one of the 4 key assessment criteria in IELTS writing. That means your ability to use correct sentence structures, verb tenses, and punctuation directly affects your score. Even if your ideas are great, grammar mistakes can lower your score significantly. So, let's break down how grammar impacts your writing. Here are some of the most common grammar mistakes that test takers make in IELTS writing. 1. Subject-verb agreement. Example: people is concerned about pollution. People are concerned about pollution. 2. Tense consistency. Example: last year I go to Paris. Last year I went to Paris. 3. Articles, a and the. Example: I bought apple. I bought an apple. 4. Complex sentences errors. Example: the book who I read was interesting. The book that I read was interesting. 5. Punctuation mistakes. Example: let's eat grandma versus let's eat grandma. Now that we know what mistakes to avoid, let's talk about how to improve your grammar and impress the IELTS examiners. Practice writing. Every day, keep a journal or write essays on IELTS topics. Learn common sentence structures. Use complex and compound sentences correctly. Review basic grammar rules: subject-verb agreement, tenses, articles, and punctuation. Get feedback on your writing. Have a teacher or a native speaker review your essays. Use online grammar tools. Websites like Grammarly or Hemingway can help you spot errors. Quick grammar exercise. Incorrect paragraph. Yesterday, I go to the park and see many bird. The weather were very nice, so I decides to stay longer. I bring my book and read under a tree. Suddenly, a dog run past me, and it make me drop my coffee. It was fun day. Corrected paragraph. Yesterday, I went to the park and saw many birds. The weather was very nice, so I decided to stay longer. I brought my book and read under a tree. Suddenly a dog ran past me, and it made me drop my coffee. It was a fun day. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell so you never miss a lesson. Keep practicing, and I'll see you in the next video.